So, you've cleared your schedule, plotted a course, and booked that one-way ticket to the great unknown. You've also purchased a DJI Mavic Pro, because you're smart like that. Let's put this beauty to work, shall we? Here are 7 brilliant ways to make the most of your travels. 1. Pack light. Maybe not quite so light. That's better. 2. Step outside your comfort zone. Eat something new for the first time. And the last time. Don't be afraid to make a scene. And make it count. 3. Escape old routines. Can't get that shot from below? Ditch the DSLR and take to the sky. 4. Wake up early, stay out late. Of course, it's not always easy, but there's a reason we call it magic hour. Sunrise and sunset are the best times to shoot. 5. Know your tools. Different situations call for different flight modes. Trace around your subject for an epic sweeping shot fit for Hollywood. Active track automatically follows, well, anything that moves, really. 6. Take the road less traveled. A bit of daring can lead to marvelous discoveries. So make the most of your little flying friend and explore unfamiliar perspectives. 7. Life is better shared. The best part of traveling is making all your folks at home jealous. So highlight your best moments, add music, transitions, and let the likes begin. Now enough staring at screens. Go on, get out there. And don't forget your Mavic, because there's much to see in our world with the freedom of flight.